Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be extra special because of the simple fact that I truly love this movie. I watch it every single Halloween. This year, I've actually started watching it in September, which is normally not me. But this morning, as I am heading out, I'm going to be heading out to Starbucks. So if you would like to join me, stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. So of course, fall is here and it's important, you know, there is just one important task that I need to complete in order to start off my fall. Is to blow the dust off my DVD player and my Hocus Pocus DVD movie case, as I want to get to watching. So that is the most important task for me when fall kicks off. In my opinion, for fall, it's a must. It's a must. So, of course, it only makes sense for me to go over and order some Hocus Pocus drinks. So I'm headed up to Starbucks right now. I have a total of 3 drinks that I need to order. So I will be ordering the Sanderson sisters drinks. So I found this over on Pinterest and I wanted to give it a try, as I haven't seen anyone give it a try before, but especially when I am a Hocus Pocus fanatic. Okay, so what I'm going to be ordering today is for all 3 sisters. Basically, WINIFRED, which is this one, she really rocks the bright green dress and the unruly red locks. That's why the WINIFRED Frappuccino is channeling some of that energy into both its authentic looks and the sweet flavors. And so this one right here is something that I can't wait to taste. And of course we have Mary Sanderson, who is this one right here, if you guys have never seen Hocus Pocus before. This one is, of course, you know, many of us would like to be the leader like WINIFRED Sanderson, or stylish like Sarah. But Mary has the humor in this movie, and it's on a deep level. And then, of course, she didn't get enough credit for being the most relatable Sanderson sister. This Mary Frappuccino is going to be probably one of our favorites. It's probably going to be one of your favorites if you decide to go and order it today. And then, of course, we have the last Sanderson sister, Sarah. Sarah is this one right here, if you have never seen Hocus Pocus before. So I'm gonna already go ahead and let you guys know that I think that this drink is going to take your taste buds into a land of enchantment, or probably onto a journey. So since Sarah has she sports the long, gorgeous, berry colored hair and lipstick to go with her long blonde hair, this themed drink is definitely going to make sure to add some sweetness and spice, just like her personality. So I am about to pull into Starbucks right now, and I'm going to tell you guys that this is probably going to be a really difficult order, as I've never done this before, but we'll just see how it goes. So I'm going to enter in the line and just wait. So for drink number 1, which is going to be the WINIFRED Sanderson Frappuccino, you're going to start by ordering a grande green tea Frappuccino. Ask for 1 pump of white mocha and 1 pump of peppermint syrup. You're also going to be asking for crushed strawberry inclusions on top of the whipped cream to go for her hair. For drink number 2, which is the Sarah Sanderson Frappuccino, you're going to start by asking for a violet drink with extra berries. You're going to substitute the coconut milk for soy milk. You're going to double blend it and ask for whipped topping and ginger powder on top. And last but not least, drink number 3. Drink number 3 is the Mary Sanderson Frappuccino, where you're going to start off by ordering a grande strawberries and cream Frappuccino. Ask for strawberry inclusions to be added, and substitute the sweetener for white mocha. You're then going to ask for a mocha drizzle and strawberry puree on the bottom of the drink.
Starbucks to serve for you guys.
Okay, so update. The only thing that I could not order correctly in this was for the Sarah Sanderson. First of all, they don't have the violet drink anymore because the hibiscus, they didn't have it. So I substituted it for a different drink, but hopefully it's still gonna come out. The only other thing that they did not have was the ginger powder that is going to come on top of it. So I think that I have some yellow or like orange sprinkles that I can throw on at home. But in the meantime, I'm gonna pull over and give each of these 3 drinks a taste test because everything else came out perfect. I know that they're probably like, what is she ordering? But I found this on Pinterest and I'm just giving it a try. So I'm not sure when I need to order the violet drink, but I'm definitely going to ask, like, just in case someone is trying to follow through with this, when do they need to come and order for the violet drink? All right, so let me give you guys the grand total of how much these 3 drinks cost with basically like the pieces added in. So it basically cost me like just $20 for these 3 drinks. So of course, first things first, I have the WINIFRED Sanderson sister drink. This one was just fine with me ordering. So I'm just gonna take a quick drink of it. Woo! This one is right. All I'm gonna say is that for this drink right here, the this one definitely brings out like more of the peppermint flavor. You can definitely taste the white mocha, but this right here is amazing. So this is exactly what you need to order the next time that you go to Starbucks in order to get the WINIFRED Sanderson Frappuccino. So next I have the Mary Sanderson sister drink, where if you go to Starbucks, you need to order it just like this. They will be down in my description box down below, just so you guys know exactly what to order in case you don't have time to go back and rewatch the video. But here it is, we have it. I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, so for one, this drink is good as well. It is basically just a mix of strawberry and mocha syrup that really creates and reminds me of like a chocolate covered strawberry. It's like a really sweet dessert that's blended into a cup. Of course, none of these drinks that are in today's video will come with coffee being in them, but if you're looking for like a pick-me-up, definitely add like a shot of espresso, you know, chocolate, coffee, and strawberries. Why not? But it's really great, and be sure to order it if you go to Starbucks. And of course, last but not least, this is the Sarah Sanderson drink, where this is the one that didn't come out right, especially because they didn't have the violet drink anymore. So I end up having to get a dragon drink, which is the same color as what the violet drink was basically supposed to come out as. It doesn't have any whipped topping. Also, they didn't have the ginger to sprinkle on top. But a dragon drink, I used the soy, so let's just give it a shot. I mean, it's really good, but I just think that maybe overall, like, this could have been a little like extra, it could have been a little sweeter. So I think that it needs a little extra something added to this drink. I don't know, it's like the drink made with soy, it doesn't add much like taste to it, but the original violet drink is made with coconut milk, and it adds like depth and sweetness, which, you know, you might try adding or subbing in the coconut if you're just wanting to have an extra sugary taste. But overall, it is good. Okay, so after trying all 3 drinks, I definitely think that it would be great to finish it off with some black coffee, basically to go along with the theme of the black lit candle, or the black flame candle that was in the movie. That is exactly what brought the sisters back to life. So if you feel like you want to order iced coffee or a black coffee after that, you know, is going to represent that black flame candle, do so. Definitely going to be needing a lot of caffeine after creating potions made of strawberries, peppermint, and berries. So with that being said, Halloween is coming up. I hope to see all of you all's Halloween videos. And if you do go and try these Hocus Pocus drinks, be sure to let me know what you think. Come back to this video and comment down below what you all think, because I honestly feel like these were really great drinks and I will be ordering them again before the end of Halloween. Have a good one.